Hello IG Garage family, is your check engine light on with the dreaded P0487 error code? This code is related to the exhaust gas recirculation EGR throttle control circuit and can cause poor engine performance, increased emissions, and even reduced fuel efficiency. In this video, we'll cover what the P0487 code means, where the EGR throttle control sensor is located, very important, how to diagnose and fix it. And at the end, I'll recommend two more important videos, P0489, EGR control circuit low, and P0047, turbocharger boost control solenoid low circuit. Let's get started. The P0487 code stands for exhaust gas recirculation EGR throttle control circuit A. The EGR system recirculates a portion of exhaust gases back into the engine to reduce emissions. The EGR throttle control valve helps regulate this flow. If the engine control module, or ECM, detects a problem with the throttle control circuit, it triggers P0487. Symptoms of P0487: check engine light on, rough idling or engine hesitation, loss of power while driving, increased fuel consumption, higher emissions and potential failure in emission tests. Common causes of P0487: 1. A faulty EGR throttle control valve. 2. Clogged or carbon-filled EGR passages. 3. Damaged or disconnected wiring in the EGR system. 4. Vacuum leaks affecting EGR performance. And 5. ECM software issues or failure, though that's quite rare. Where is the EGR throttle control valve located? Well, it's usually found near the EGR valve. Typically, you'll see it positioned between the intake manifold and the EGR valve. 2. Connected to the air intake system. In some designs, you might find it integrated near the throttle body or along the intake piping. 3. Wiring and connectors. It's important to follow the EGR system wiring harness to check for any loose or corroded connections. Turbocharged vehicles. If you have a turbocharged engine, the EGR throttle valve might be close to the intercooler piping. Check for carbon buildup. Remove the EGR throttle valve and clean any carbon deposits using EGR cleaner or throttle body cleaner. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for any damaged or corroded electrical connections in the EGR circuit. Alright, so now we're going to test the EGR throttle control valve. First, use a multimeter to check both the voltage and continuity. If you find that it's not responding correctly, well, you might want to consider replacing the valve. Reset the check engine light. After repairs, use an obd2 scanner to clear the code and take the car for a test drive. So that's everything you need to know about P0487 EGR throttle control circuit issue. If your check engine light is on, start by checking the EGR throttle valve, wiring, and carbon buildup. Before you go, don't forget to check out these related videos: P0489, EGR control circuit low, and P0047, turbocharger boost control solenoid low circuit. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss a fix from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.